So, students, in earlier classes, I have done the coordinate geometry. Already elaborately discussed coordinate geometry of class 10, chapter 7. So, today I am going to start chapter number 8 of class 10 maths, introduction to trigonometry. So, before starting trigonometry, we have to know the in this chapter mainly triangle related problem, that is the sides angles of a triangle related problems will be discussed. So in trigonometry basically we have to understand the triangles, that is right angle triangles related problems. So in trigonometry we have to know the trigonometric ratios first, then we have to understand the trigonometric identities. There are mainly three identities and also the complementary angles. So let's start the trigonometric ratios. Before going to start trigonometric ratios, we have to draw a right angle triangle. So mainly six ratios are there: sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant and cosecant. So if we draw a right angle triangle ABC, right angled at B, then with respect to any acute angle, that is either A or C, we will get six ratios. These six ratios are: with respect to C, sin C equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. Cosecant, that is cosine cos C equal to base by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC. Tangent, it is tan C equal to perpendicular by base, it is AB by BC. So these are the three basic ratios: sin C with respect to C, perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos C, base by hypotenuse, tan C, perpendicular by base. Then cot C equal to, it is the reciprocal of tan, that is BC by AB, sec C, this is the reciprocal of cos AC by BC, cosec, this is the reciprocal of sin, that is AC by AB. So in trigonometry we have to understand the six ratios, that is sin, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. Now after trigonometric ratios we have to know the three basic identities of trigonometry, that is identities. First identity, sin square C plus cos square C is equal to 1. Identity number 2, 1 plus tan square A equal to sec square A. Identity 3, 1 plus cot square A equal to cosec square A. So depending on these three identities, we will solve the problems given in the exercises. So in trigonometry, students will get a table, that is the sin 0, value of sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90. As like the other trigonometric ratios, that is cos 0, value cos 45, cos 30, cos 60, cos 90. The students can go through the table in in their textbook. So I am going to start the complementary angles in trigonometry. That is complementary complementary angles. In right angle triangle ABC, so in this right angle triangle ABC, if angle B equal to 90, then angle A and angle C plus equal is also equal to 90. So in complementary angles we have to know the 6 formulas, that is sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Similarly, cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. So in this way, if students go through the textbook, then they can able to understand that is tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta, cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta, sec 90 minus theta equal to cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta equal to sec theta. So students can, if the students go through the video, then they will be able to understand the basic concepts of trigonometry. In trigonometry, I have already told that we have to solve the triangle related problems, basically the right angle triangle related problems. So in trigonometry, we will get trigonometric ratios, that is 6 trigonometric ratios are there, and after that we will get 3 identities of trigonometry, and you will get a table of various angles, that is the values of these angles are given, and after that you will get the complementary angles. There are also 6 complementary angles, that is sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta, and so on. At last you will get cosec 90 minus theta equal to sec theta. So after that we will start the exercises depending on that concepts.